Hello! I'd like to wash these clothes. How much does it cost? Thank you.
I'd like to have these clothes washed.
Certainly. Is regular service okay?
How long will it take?
They'll be ready tomorrow afternoon.
Could I pick them up around 5?
Absolutely. They'll be ready by then.
Do you offer same-day laundry service?
Yes, we have an express option.
How soon could you have it ready?
Within about 4 hours.
Is there an additional charge?
Yes, there's a small express fee.
Do you offer ironing services as well?
Yes, we can iron everything for you.
Is ironing included in the price?
No, there's a small additional charge.
Could you iron these shirts only?
Certainly, I'll make a note of that.
Do you clean sneakers here?
Yes, we offer shoe cleaning services.
How long does it usually take?
Around 2 days.
Will you dry them naturally?
Yes, to prevent damage. What type of detergent do you normally use?
We use a mild liquid detergent.
Is it suitable for delicate fabrics?
Yes, it's quite gentle.
Could you use it for all my clothes?
Certainly, I'll note that down. Do you provide a delivery service?
Yes, within the local area.
Could you deliver it to my hotel?
Certainly, just provide the address.
Is there a delivery charge?
Yes, depending on the distance. How do you calculate the laundry charge?
We charge by weight.
What's the rate per kilogram?
It's $5 per kilogram.
Does that include drying?
Yes, washing and drying are included. Do you think the stain can be removed?
We'll do our best to treat it.
Will you need a special cleaner?
Most likely, because it's quite stubborn.
Could it damage the fabric?
We'll test it carefully first. Could you show me how this machine works?
Sure. Select a cycle first.
How much detergent should I use?
1 small cup should be enough.
Will the machine stop automatically?
Yes, once the cycle is complete. Can you wash this heavy blanket?
Yes, we have machines large enough.
Will it take longer than regular laundry?
Yes, probably an extra day.
When could I pick it up?
It should be ready Thursday.
These clothes still feel slightly damp.
I'm sorry about that.
Could you dry them a little longer?
Of course, we'll do that immediately.
How long will it take?
About 20 more minutes. Could you wash this shirt separately?
Certainly. Is it particularly delicate?
Yes, could you use a gentle cycle?
Of course, we'll handle it carefully.
Will that cost extra?
There's only a small additional fee. Would you recommend dry cleaning this jacket?
Yes, considering the fabric.
How long does dry cleaning usually take?
Usually 1 or 2 days.
Could you have it ready by Friday?
That shouldn't be a problem.
Could you fold everything after washing?
Of course, that's included.
Could you hang the shirts instead?
Yes, we can put them on hangers.
Will you provide the hangers?
Yes, at no extra charge. Could you wash these without fabric softener?
Certainly. I'll make a note of it.
Can you use fragrance-free detergent as well?
Yes, we have that available.
Will my request appear on the receipt?
Yes, I'll include the instructions. I think one of my shirts is missing.
Could you describe it for me?
It's a dark blue cotton shirt.
I'll check our sorting area.
When should I check back?
Give us about 30 minutes. Could you explain this charge on my receipt?
That's for the ironing service.
Does the total include tax?
Yes, everything is included.
Could I have a digital receipt?
Sure, we can send it by email.
I'm here to collect my laundry. Certainly. Do you have your receipt? Has everything been washed and folded? Yes, everything is ready. Could I pay by card? Of course, we accept card payments. Will you separate the dark and light clothes?
Yes, we always sort them by color.
What about these new jeans?
We'll wash them separately.
Could the color still fade?
Slightly, but we'll use cold water. Could I collect my laundry earlier tomorrow?
I'll check whether it'll be ready.
Would noon be possible?
Yes, we can have it ready by then.
Should I call before coming?
That would be helpful. How much is the laundry service?
It's $5 per kilogram.
Is drying included?
Yes, it is.
Are there any extra charges?
No, there aren't. Do you provide dry cleaning?
Yes, we do.
Can you clean this suit?
Certainly.
Will it be ready tomorrow?
Yes, it will. Do you offer express service?
Yes, we do.
Can it be finished today?
Yes, by 6 p.m.
Is there an extra fee?
Yes, there is. Can you remove this stain?
We'll do our best.
Is it a difficult stain?
It's a little challenging.
Will it damage the fabric?
No, we'll clean it carefully.
I'm here to pick up my laundry.
May I have your receipt?
Is everything ready?
Yes, everything is ready.
Can I check the clothes?
Of course.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Can I get a receipt?
Certainly.
Do you accept mobile payments?
Yes, we do. Can you wash this silk dress? Yes, with special care. Will you hand wash it? Yes, we will. Is it safe? Absolutely. I can't find one of my socks.
We're sorry.
Can you check again?
Yes, we'll look for it.
Will you call me if you find it?
Of course.
Thank you for your service.
You're very welcome.
The clothes look great.
We're happy you like them. Hello, I'd like to wash these clothes.
Certainly.
Can you wash them today?
Yes, we can.
When will they be ready?
Tomorrow afternoon.